Hi friends, welcome back to another video, or if you're new, welcome. I am so glad that you stopped by today and I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be doing a little bit of cleaning motivation and a little bit of summer decor inspiration. I will be decorating my dining room by adding little touches of summer, which is the room that you're seeing here. I'm just showing different angles of this space, but my dining room lately has really been neglected. I really have not changed up the decor since, well, I think since January. So I definitely needed some changes, and I'm really excited to just freshen up this space. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I am just so happy that you stopped by and I appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you're new. I do all kinds of decorating, cleaning videos, shop with me videos, lifestyle videos in general. So if you'd like to check out my other videos on my channel, feel free to do so and consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I'll begin by decorating my buffet, and my style is more of a little bit of traditional and a little bit of modern. I love mixing those two together, so maybe a little bit transitional style, but I definitely am a big fan of neutral colors and a big fan of more of a minimalist style. I don't like a lot of clutter, so for my buffet I'm definitely keeping it on the minimal side. So the tiered tray that you see there was actually gifted to me from my mom several years ago. I love that tray. It floats around my house from my kitchen to my dining room. I love it. And for the gold tray, which I got from Target a couple years back, I'm just adding some different candle votives, and that vessel vase is from, I believe that was from Hobby Lobby. But for the dining table, I'm going to add 2 table runners that I got from Home Goods several years ago, but they're a beautiful blue-green color and they have like an embroidered coral shape pattern on them, which definitely reminded me of summer. And I'm just going to add 2 large vases that I got from World Market, and I love these vases. I will try to link them down below because I know that they often do go out of stock. So if they are out of stock, when you click on the link, keep checking back because they do get restocked eventually. But I'm just going to fill them with florals that I already had on hand. I love shopping my house for decor. It is such a great way to save money. But all of the florals are either from Michaels or Amazon. So if I can find the links, I will try to add them down below. In fact, any of the decor you see right now, I will try to add any links I can find down in the description box.
To be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance. I wonder what's that like. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on.
Finally, I am adding some placemats and charger plates. These seagrass placemats are from IKEA, and the white charger plates are from Kirkland's I got a while back. But I was in the Dollar Tree recently and I was really surprised that they sell a variety of charger plates. So if you're looking for charger plates to decorate your dining table, definitely check out the Dollar Tree. And for the napkins, I thought at first I would just simply put a white napkin on the plate, and at the last minute I decided to add a little bit of twine I had on hand just to give it an extra touch.
I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Moving on to some cleaning motivation, and this is just a little motivation for you today. I'm focusing just on my kitchen. I had some dishes to put away, counters to clear up, floors to mop. As you see there, those footprints need to go, and those two cute sleeping pups are the culprits. But we are going to Disney very soon here, and we just got our magic bands, and I can't tell you how much it added to the excitement and anticipation of our trip. But if you'd like to see a Disney vlog from me, I haven't decided, let me know down in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. I don't know if that interests you guys, but maybe I'll do that. I'm thinking I'll probably do a vacation prep video coming up here, so if you'd also like to see that, let me know down in the comments, and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on my future videos. But I'm going to start by adding the dirty dishes to this already filled dishwasher. It was one of those situations where I filled the dishwasher and then I forgot to start it. Let me know if any of you can relate to that. So once I wrap up the dishes, I'm then going to move on to wiping the countertops. But if you're cleaning along with me today, let me know what room you are tackling or what project you might be taking on today. I love hearing from you guys. If you missed my last summer decorate with me that I posted a few weeks ago, definitely check it out. I will link it up above here, but I decorated my kitchen with little touches of summer as well as my foyer. So if you're in need of some summer decor inspiration, I will have it linked right above. And I have to say, I am loving the new lavender plant that I got. If you saw my last video, my Walmart shop with me, you know it's from Walmart, as well as the planter. In fact, I got 2 of these plants and the planter because I loved them so much. In fact, Walmart just had such a beautiful selection of planters. I have to say, I was quite impressed. And if you're curious to see what they have, I will link that video up above for your reference. Once I finish wiping down the countertops, I'll move on to cleaning my stainless steel appliances. But I know I've mentioned it many times that we have on our project to-do list for this house to renovate our kitchen by painting the cabinets. And I was just thinking, well, actually, whenever I am cleaning, I always get some great ideas popping into my head. So I'm always jotting down notes of changes I want to make in the kitchen. And some of the changes are not only I want to brighten it up by painting the cabinets, I also want to add some shelves. So maybe some floating shelves. I would love to add like a hidden trash and recycle bin area to one of the cupboards. Maybe add like a spice drawer or a drawer that I can hide my paper towel roll, because that's one of the things that kind of drives me nuts, is having the paper towel on the countertop. It is convenient to have it there, but it's just not so pleasing to look at. So I would definitely like to have storage for that as well. But I'd love to hear from you guys who maybe you have renovated your kitchen. What areas of the kitchen do you find most useful? For example, did you add that spice drawer, or maybe a drawer with pots and pan dividers, all those kinds of options that are out there. I'd love to hear what conveniences you have found the most useful, or maybe something that you changed in the kitchen that you thought probably wasn't worth the money spent. Next, I'm gonna fold some clothes and some sheets, and I will be honest here, those sheets have been sitting there since yesterday. I was putting it off and putting it off. In fact, we were even eating dinner at the table with those sheets sitting there. That's how bad I was putting off folding those sheets. That is terrible. I'm surprised I admitted that, but I do not like folding sheets. They are just so cumbersome and just complicated to fold. Can anyone relate to that? But once I am finished with the folding, I'm gonna move on to vacuuming and mopping, and the floors needed a good mopping. The dogs coming in and out of the house, especially when it has rained outside, which we keep getting rain here and there. It seems like every other day is rain, so it's been kind of a mess for the dogs. So the floors definitely needed that cleaning, and it just felt so good to get them nice and clean.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love be shy. I will let my guard down.
To mop my floors, I'm using Pine Sol and hot water, but I've said it before, and if you have any wood floor cleaning tips, leave those down in the comments, not just for my own benefit, but I know there are so many that read the comments, and it's so great to be able to share information with each other and learn from one another. So if you have any cleaning tips, feel free to leave those down below. But that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it gave you a little bit of decor inspiration as well as cleaning motivation, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Be sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.